Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a quick video because I posted, I think it was last week in my story, that I bought some pillows that I had found in Marshall's / Home Goods, and I wanted to show them on my channel because they're super adorable, and some people don't have Instagram and might have not seen them, and I thought, why not make a quick short video just sharing some really cute stuff that you can find at Marshall's, because you guys, that is the place to find the cutest stuff. And I always get on Instagram, you have the cutest things, that is definitely where to go. You find the most adorable mugs or little room decor. It's just the go-to place. So the first thing I'm going to show is, I showed on my Instagram this super cute ice cream cone mug. And you guys, how adorable is this? It is the cutest. As soon as I saw it, I was like, you need to come home with me. And it's like really big. Look, my whole hand fits in there. So cute. I love it. And this was, I think, the brand is Cherry on Top, if you can see that. And I think this was like $3.99 or $4.99. And they have like the cutest mugs, you guys. I don't need any more mugs in my life, but I definitely needed that one. I also got this super cute ice cream one. And you put like a sundae in it. I wanted the mug in pink, but I didn't find it, so that's why I got it in the mint green, which is fine with me because you guys know I love me the mint color. It's also cherry on top, and this one was also $3.99, I think. But I don't use it for ice cream. What I decided to put in it was my little fluffy pens. So it looks like ice cream cones, but it's just my little furry pens. Isn't that adorable? I also posted a picture on Instagram with this, and you guys super loved it. So there's that. And then of course I found some more of these curlies, and I've had these. I posted a picture last week of these as well, because every time I go there I just find a different set and I pick them up. You guys, how can you say no to these? They're so fun and the colors are beautiful. So I now have like 5 or 6 of these, and that's what they look like. So if you guys see these, definitely pick them up because they're super fun to put in Happy Mail, just decor for a little package and make it fun. I think anybody who opens up a package with these little curlies is like, ooh, you get that little giddy feeling like this is going to be fun to open. Another thing I posted on my Instagram were these Zoomerang little note cards. A lot of you guys thought I made them, but I purchased them in this pack, and they were $3.99. And it comes with a little envelope, but they're different note cards. It's like almost like a little library pocket. Let me take one out to show you. It looks like this, and then you pull the little card out. You could write your little note right here, and it says magic is all around, and the super cute little unicorn. Like, how fun are these, you guys? And has a little Zoomerang right here. I never even heard of this brand till I saw these little note cards. And it was like the only one I saw there, because if not, I definitely would have picked up more. So I got these. And then of course, you guys, the pillows, which I'm super excited. I had seen Handmade by Solange post them, and I was like, yes, I need those pillows. And I got them all. I think I didn't find them the first time around was because I was looking in the wrong section. I was looking at the regular pillows, but these are considered kid pillows. But you guys, look at these pillows. This is the Little Mermaid one. How beautiful is she? The little metallic little mermaid tail. Oh, I love it so much. And these only go for $10, you guys. Isn't this cute? I have like this little sitting area in my craft room, and I think I want to put them all there just to make the room look a little fun. So this is the first one. And then you guys, I didn't see this one with Solange. I don't think she found this one, or she didn't pick it out. I just happened to come across this one, and it definitely was coming home. It's the unicorn one. I have to put it this way because it won't come out on the whole frame. But you guys, look how cute. Look at the little silver. Isn't this adorable? And it's just like solid mint on the other side. This was also $10. And once again, in the kids section, so cute, obsessed, I love it. And then of course my favorite out of all three has to be the swan. And I don't think it's gonna come out fully, but we'll start off right here. It's a little swan and it's mint green and it has this cute little gold crown, and this is like screaming Maggie Holmes to me. How beautiful is this pillow? And then this is the little tutu it's wearing. Oh my god, you guys, this is a beaut and a must-have. Like, I feel silly because it's like a kid's pillow, but I could not pass it up. If you're like totally girly and just love all the cute stuff, you totally get me. And come on, $10. I'm like obsessed now. I don't need any more pillows, but I feel like if I find some more cute ones, I'm definitely gonna pick them up. But yeah, you guys, that's the little pillow collection I have going so far. So far I only have 3. I didn't see any other ones, but you guys definitely should go and check out your local Marshalls, your local TJ Maxx, and see if you find any of these cute stuff, especially cute little mugs like this. There's a little mermaid one that I wanted to pick up and I didn't pick it up, and then I saw Happy Mail Queen show it on her video, and I'm totally getting it the next time I go back. I am obsessed. I love the cutesy stuff. It's just my style. I also got one of these, but I can't really show you guys. It's these little scented things. I don't know if you guys seen these, where you flip the sticks and it's just, it smells so good. It has this cute little flamingo charm. And this one smells like coconut. And I just like to keep it on my desk. And those are like $5. So I always like to pick one up when I see that the liquid is going down. But yeah, you guys, that's it for the video. I just wanted to share those cutesy stuff with you guys so that you guys can definitely go check out your local Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and pick some up if you want. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.